Come on,
want-
guys. Who wants chicken? Who wants chicken? Guys, come on over here. Come on over here.
Oh,
Everybody
good
sit.
boy.
Everybody sit. Solly,
McCartney
sit.
was the first one to sit.
Wait. Jackson. McCartney. McCartney, sit. Good boy. Beamer. Good boys. Solly, sit. Sit. Solly, sit. Good boy.
Watch your fingers.
Easy. Ow.
Yeah, you gotta, don't do too much.
McCartney, sit. Good boy.
God, he's so good.
Beamer. Good boys.
Okay, go wipe the mouth off. Good boy. Good God.
Jackson, let's wake him up.
Oh, look at, he's gonna sit again.
You don't have more. You want more chicken? Okay.
God, it just goes right under their legs. That's funny.
He's so little.
Cruise under Jackson's legs. Oh, that's cute. Good boy.
Good sit. Jeez. These pieces are too small.
Good. Looks like a shark feeding frenzy.
Ow.
Yeah, Sully will take your hands off.
So you are not gentle.
Okay.
That was fun. That was fun, huh? You're very cute. You're sliding. Let's read to Dad. Okay. Hi, Dad. Hi, Dad. Hi.
Oh, God, he's so precious.